Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It is May 21st, 10:51 p.m., 2023. And as anyone who's known me for a while can attest to, there are few things in life I enjoy more than a nice pair of tats. Actually acquired these one at a time. Got the first one. I was up in Milford, New Hampshire. I acquired the first one for free on either Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. I can't remember, but the guy said he was going to leave it in the back of a pickup truck for me, so I went up there and picked that up. And then there was a time, I don't know, a year or two later, got a random text from somebody, said, yeah, you got a fan from my neighbor. My neighbor said you like fans, so here's another one. So I went back up there, and I guess in this really strange subdivision, they had, all the houses were sideways, and yeah, pretty much every house there had a, when they built the subdivision, it was a split level house, and every house had the top of the stairs to get from the first to the second floor had one of these TATs, or TATs, I should say. Not sure. I have them on solid state controls. Turn them up to high. TAT, they're painted white. TAT, they have no lights. TAT, they draw quite a load. TAT, they're from the same road. Only time will tell which one will spin down first, although I set the far fan, shut that off a fraction of a second before I shut off the second one. I don't know, something I have always enjoyed about seeing the top side of industrials. When I was a kid, there was an office building of sorts that had a teacher's store that my mother would go to and drag me along, and they had a in the far side of the building there was some sort of a sunroom, and you know, I guess they had tables, whatever, people have their lunches, and you know, sort of a high ceiling. You know, you could see them from the second floor, and I'd go up on the second floor. I'd be right there at eye level to the industrials, and there were two of these. I'm not sure what, I can't remember what kind they were. I mean, this was back in like the mid 80s, so I'm guessing maybe late 80s. So I'm guessing there were some kind of I don't know, unions or something, but you know, they didn't have the point like, you know, Enviro fans like Gold Line, so might have been Newtone Pro Line ones, but yeah, they had 3 curved tip blades, and I always enjoyed going there and seeing those at that level. So, but yeah, you can tell these are TATs. They have besides the fact that I think it says it somewhere, oh yeah, on top of the blades, but they have very distinct blade pattern, and I had one of these years ago, new in the box, and it was labeled Hurricane was the brand, and I'm sorry, Hurricane was the trade name, was the model name. The company was called Butter, Butter. It's called a Butter Hurricane, and that got sadly lost in a flood. But yeah, that had you know, it was the same as the TAT, and I think Emerson had one of these as well, rebadged as an Emerson. But I don't know how many other companies use these, but yeah, they're cool fans. You know, it's kind of an interesting aesthetic to them. You know, they're the big thick blades with the little smallish motor. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for... Oh, it grazed my ear. Stay tuned for more fan videos. If you would like this video, I'd much appreciate it. And if you could subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate that as well. Good night and good luck.